Good morning and welcome to Trade Talks. I'm your host, Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq. And joining me at MarketSite today is Salman Ali. He is the U.S. leader for Enterprise GRC at KPMG. Ali, thank you for joining us today at MarketSite.
Thank you for having me.
This business loves acronyms, doesn't it?
Yeah, this is...
So let's run through it. Tell us about GRC and some of the biggest issues that companies are facing today.
Yep, so as most of us know, GRC stands for Governance, Risk, and Compliance. And mostly the issues that we're seeing in the marketplace are clients who have a hard time understanding their risk profile from a horizontal perspective. So there's a lot of risk management functions that are in every organization, especially the bigger regulated organizations such as internal audit, risk management, as well as enterprise risk management and the like. So what we're seeing is that boards and management committees are looking for a horizontal view for us to say how bad or how good things are. And what we're seeing is that there's a lot of silos that are in organizations. So the challenge there is that regulators are asking for information that is not readily available. Our company, as well as the alliance with Nasdaq Bwise, is really purposed to help create a program that eliminates those silos.
Now, what happens if companies don't take GRC seriously?
Yeah, so if you don't take GRC seriously, other than the obvious things such as fines and the risk that you have to your reputation, it's all about the bottom line, right? So you're not able to make decisions, and you're not able to put your resources where they should go because you don't have a horizontal view of risk across the organization. So right. That's really what it comes down to is effective decision making doesn't happen because you're more proactive when you do have a GRC program.
Well, you mentioned the KPMG and Nasdaq Bwise relationship. Tell us about that.
Yep, so we launched and we're excited. We launched our strategic relationship with Nasdaq earlier this year, which means that we're now working on a unified vision for our clients, which means that Nasdaq has great technology. Bwise is state-of-the-art technology, and then we have folks that really understand the business. So we bring the business process, Nasdaq brings the technology, we combine that together and really seeing success in the marketplace.
So how will it help clients reduce risk exposure overall?
It's all about proactive risk management, right? So we have technology that can now look at trends from what has happened before and look at it more proactively. So what that happens, you have reports that you can see what is about to happen and what happened before and connect the two. So you're actually looking at things proactively and having controls in place so that it reduces your risk exposure.
All right. Well, thank you, Ali, very much for joining us at MarketSite.
Thank you.
And traders, as always, thank you for joining me. I'm Jill Malandrino, Global Markets Reporter at Nasdaq.